Children, are you interested to know about the earliest people? This is the lesson about the earliest people. From gathering food to growing food. Lesson 6, from gathering food to growing food. Here in this lesson, we are going to learn about earliest people, how they gathered the food in the earlier stage and how they developed to grow the food. Okay, before going to the lesson, I ask some questions. You just identify the answers for that. Have you wondered how your family obtains the food you eat? That means how your family getting the food, from where they are getting that food. Have you observed any time? Think now. How is the food grown and what tools are used in this process? How is that food which we are eating grown and which type of tools are used to collect that food? Okay? Think for this also. And who invented these tools? With the tools which we are getting food, who invented these tools? Can you imagine the people who did not grow any crops and lived only by gathering food what they got? Can you imagine? The people who did not grow any crops, if they did not grow any crops, what will we eat? If we get the natural food from forest, what we find? Can we survive with that? No, we can't live without growing food. Okay, you think answers for these questions. Let us go to the lesson, the earliest people. How is the earliest people life? How they survived, how they lead their life. I will show you a picture in this lesson. Observe this picture and you can find the answers. I will ask some questions after showing this picture. See this picture, all of you. If you have textbook, open your textbook, page number 44 and see the picture given in this lesson. What these people are doing, these are earliest people. What they are doing, they are collecting foods, nuts, fruits, flowers, some tubers, honey, isn't it? See carefully. You can know all this. Okay. And here also, see in this page, earliest people gathering food. How they are gathering this food? And they hunt the animals and birds also for their food. Not only natural food, they hunt animals and birds and they eat their food. Okay. In the above figure, how are the people gathering their food? Observe these pictures and find out the answers for these questions. How are the people gathering their food? Already you observed here in this picture how these people are gathering. They are collecting honey from trees. They are collecting fruits, nuts, tubers, flowers. Okay. What types of clothes are they wearing? What types of clothes? Animals' skin, made with animals' skin. They are wearing animals' skin. You will find 5 or 6 types of tools and weapons in these pictures. Can you identify them? See here, some tools are there in these pictures. Identify the tools. Which tools they are using? In the next class, I will explain that. Look at figure 6.2. What have the men and women brought from the forests? What have men and women brought from the forests? See, if you observe this carefully, you will find this. Describe the work they are doing in the picture and write this in your rough notes. Describe this picture, what they are doing in this picture. Okay, now Let us see gathering food and hunting. All the earliest people go to the forests and collect fruits, flowers, honey, roots, wild grains, tubers, whatever they saw in that forest. They collect all that natural food products from forests, and also they hunt animals and birds also. They depended on hunting also. They did not grow any crops or rear any animals. They only dependent on collecting, gathering food and on hunting. Suppose if you went to forest, you have to know the edible products. Which products are edible to eat? You must want to know the fruits or products, whatever we are getting from forest. We have to know about the items. Okay, these earliest people know about all that detail. And for animals also, hunters know about the animals, where the animals living and which time these animals are going to drink water. To hunt the animals, the earliest people must know about the animals clearly. Okay, these earliest people know about the animals, and also they taught their children about this hunting and gathering, because this is the main occupation of the people on those days. Okay children, this is the gathering food and hunting of the earliest people. In the next class, I will explain about tools and fire.